For the Saga, same thing, open the engine, the bonnet latch is right here. The Axia, the bonnet latch is right in the middle, put your hand, so it's right here. Pull it up and you open the bonnet. So on the Saga, there's only 3 things to check, actually 4 things also. So one is no need the battery because it's a dry cell battery from Proton, so we just need to check the coolant. But you can see quite clear that it is low. The coolant is here, the full line is here, so let me add that real quick. So same thing, lift it up here. I don't want to take it all out, so like that. Then look at the coolant level, make sure you don't overfill because it will reject the extra coolant, extra water. Okay, at the line, then you close it, make sure there's the sound, like a click sound. That. Okay, so coolant is done. Then next you can check the power steering fluid, because this use hydraulic instead of electric like the Axia, so it's max, very good. Then since we're here, check the brake oil. Brake oil is also max, it's at max, so this is good to go already. Windshield is a bit empty, so I'll top it up again. We don't want an empty reservoir. I finish the water, I'll get more later. Then lastly is the same thing, the engine oil. So same thing, yellow is the dipstick. Make sure the engine is warm. So same thing, put your tissue that doesn't break out fast here, then you just put it out. Then dipstick time. So you put it in, dip it, put it out. So as you can see, this is a bit down. It's not full, but it's still okay. It's still between the minimum and full. So it's okay, this is good. This is past still. So it's here, good lah. Color is also good. So this is done. So this is way less thicker than the Axia because this did one more, the Saga. So the wear indicator is here, as you can see it is almost there, so this already needs to change, maybe another 5,000 kilometers need to change. Very important because Malaysia is a wet country, so it's not good for rain. The Malaysia's law is it must be at least 3 millimeters the tread depth, or else it is illegal already. So if you're a ruler you can measure, but we can just rely on the indicator here because this already indicator is 3 millimeters, the tread depth indicator here. But anyway, it's good. No, like there's no bubbles, it's still smooth. Tape, check for all 4 tires. I'll check the rear. So since the front is already low, same thing. Yeah, the indicator is here, same thing. So all 4 tires have to change after 5,000 kilometers or the next service lah. Because we do rotation, so that's why it's so even. So that's good. So need to change. Axia is still very good. So yeah, that's the tires. Oh, the car is now done with the self-maintenance, so we are good to go. I hope you learned something from this video from both cars. See you, take care.